So as you can see on my dashboard, I currently have a balance of $0.2, and guess what? I just signed up on this particular platform, and because someone recommended it to me, one of my community members actually, where the person has been able to make a couple of dollars from this particular platform. And so I'm making this video to show you step by step how you could earn money from this particular platform. And it doesn't require a lot of work, it doesn't require any investment, and it's quite easy and straightforward. So all you need to do is I'll be sharing with you four different ways to make money up to $10 from this particular platform without any investment. And guess what, guys, all you need to do is ensure you watch this particular video to the end. Don't miss any part, because if you miss any parts you might not get it right. So like I said earlier, it doesn't require any investment and it works. I actually got the recommendation from someone who has tried it and has been able to make withdrawal from this particular platform. Also, I'll actually take put in more practice into this and then withdraw as well. Hi guys, so just before we get into the main part of this particular video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Sadiq Ibrahim, and right here on this channel I share with you different ways to make money online. All I do is spend a lot of time researching on opportunities, and when I find the one that works, I come right here on my channel to share it with you guys. If that sounds like something you want and it sounds interesting to you, all you need to do right now is ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another exciting make money online opportunity like this. So don't be left out. You are welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, it's good to have you right here again. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the main part of this video. How to get started on this particular platform. All you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video or in the comment section. That will be the pinned comment. The first link in the description will be the link to this particular platform. So all you need to do is go ahead and download this particular, click the link and you'll be directed to the download link of this particular app. It's an application. Once you download it, now you should be right here on this particular platform. So let me share with you, I promise to share with you four ways you could earn money on this particular platform. So the first one is sharing your internet. As you can see right here, share internet. So traffic shared, and if you see, if I click on this share internet right now, and you see internet sharing is connecting. Okay, as you can see right here, and it will be connected in a bit. Let's just wait. So by the way, ensure you turn this background sharing on, so that if you want to earn more money even while you are not on the app, you'll be able to make money. So once you turn this background sharing up, as you can see, I'm sharing my internet, and okay, I am now earning. Can you see it has changed to green? That is, I am now earning. So I'm sharing my internet. What does that mean? It means I'm just sharing my traffic with them. And take a look at this. What is the minimum, how much can you earn by sharing your internet? How much can you earn by sharing your internet? Let me show you something, guys. So as you can see right here, how much can I earn by sharing 1 gig? If you share 1 gig of data, you'll be paid $0.2. So per gig of data you share on this particular platform, you'll be getting $0.2. That's interesting. And so just by browsing, as you're browsing on your phone, you get to make money from the data you are spending. So isn't that interesting? Of course it is. So all you need to do is share your internet and then ensure background sharing, so that even while you are not on the app, you are getting paid. So that's the first way to make money on this particular platform. And another one is through the invite. Yes guys, through the invite. So all you need to do is, just as you can see right here, I'm still on the home page, so just scroll down, and where we have this earn more with referral, as you can see, once you invite your friend, you get $3, and you also give $3. So you can also earn 10% of every of their payouts. So all you need to do is just click on this earn more, and you'll be able to copy your referral code. So guys, I'll also drop my referral code in the description of this video. Just use my referral code when you want to sign up, and of course share it with your friends as well. Let them use your own referral code as well. So this is it. Use the referral code or the referral link. This is a link, so people could just access it with this link. So I included the link in the description of this video. So that's it. You get to make, as you can see right here, get $3. Just bring a friend via option listed below. And the interesting part is that they even provided you with promotional materials, like the video you can use to refer people. If I generate this video, the video will have your referral link there, and it's just a video they made where they are telling people about the platform, and it's something you can share with your friend, so that you don't have to be explaining all it takes again. So that's just another method to make money on this particular, and this is really interesting. Can you see, you get $3 just for bringing a friend. Even isn't that amazing? So guys, the third method you could use in making money from this particular platform is by answering surveys. As you can see at the bottom right here, once you click on surveys, there are surveys available on this particular platform. So all you need to do is share your opinions about products or business or services which are listed there, and then you get paid for it. So as you can see, for this particular survey, I'll get paid $0.2 if you perform this task. For this one, you get $0.16 if you perform this task. And as you can see, they are even indicating the time. So this one is short, this one will take medium and average time. This one is a kind of long survey, and as you can see, this one you get 0 point. So you have the choice. You can choose to anyone you wish to perform. As you can see, 0.09, $0.17, $0.11, $0.05. Like, they constantly update more surveys on this particular platform. So as you can see, they even have an active survey takers of 17,000, over 17,000. That's interesting. So that, guys, that's another method to make money on this particular platform. So you just have to be serious, and your output, that is how much you will make from this particular platform, of course depends on how much effort you put in. That's it. So to the final part which I want to share with you on how to make money on this particular platform is the case, as you can see right here at the bottom right here. So once you click on that, this is just like an incentive when you perform some tasks on this particular platform. As you can see, when I started sharing my internet, I was able to claim, I should be able to claim a reward of +5 points because I already take one action on this particular application. So I earn 5 points, don't spend them all in one place. So continue. So there are several quests available on this particular platform. They are just like incentives for performing tasks on this particular platform. So this is another one. If I should verify my email, I'll also get +5 points, and this point is something you can convert to the dollars, the real money. You can convert them to real money when you accumulate a lot of them. So okay, just before I show you how to withdraw, as you can see right here, the minimum payout amount is $5. So as soon as you have $5, as soon as I have $5 as well, I'll also go ahead to place a withdrawal from this particular platform. So how do you do that? It's quite simple and straightforward. So by the way, as you can see, you can easily read through their blog to learn more about this platform. You can do your own research as well. The Pawns app pays you for using your internet connection. Your internet data is used by companies around the world to run complex tasks. So as you are running internet and you have it connected, you get paid for it. My battery is actually low, that's why it's not sharing at the moment. So now let's just talk about how to withdraw on this particular platform. All you need to do, guys, is just click on this request payout. Once you have a minimum of $5, you can withdraw your money. So once you click on request payout, you'll be able to see, as you can see at the moment, I do not have up to $5, so I won't be able to withdraw. But there are several methods to withdraw from this particular platform, including cryptocurrency and normal Apple card. So I will also make another video on this particular platform using the persons that recommended this particular platform to me, using his own earning as a proof for you guys. So it definitely works and it is working fine. So all you need to do is just give it a try, accumulate up to $5, and remember, it's a free platform, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Try it out and let me know in the comment section also, and I'll catch you on the next one. I hope you find this video helpful.